Hi, this video is for the Circuit Court Clerk on how to upload a new job to the careers page. So really quick, let me review. I'm on the careers page now. Per our discussion, we talked about having something below the job application and the benefits information that is easy for you to update. So I went ahead and set that up and I put in the deputy job since we already have the description. So now we'll go back and add the leadership jobs as like an example of how you do it. So the first thing you want to do is once you've logged in is you want to go back to your dashboard. You're going to go to media and add media file. You've got to add the job description, the PDF that you sent. So I've already downloaded that. Let's go ahead and do this first one. Assistant supervisor. So you load it, go ahead and open it, load it. Go ahead and then copy the URL to the clipboard. Then go over to the careers page. So now that's on your clipboard. Let's find careers. Let's hit live builder so it'll be easier for you to see. I'm going to scroll down under open positions, and this is just a text box that I set up. So click on the little edit over by deputy job. Hit enter, and we're going to put assistant supervisor. I put it all in caps so it's just, you can see it better. And then you're going to highlight it. You're going to press this hyperlink button so you can link that PDF that you just loaded. You're going to paste it and make sure you hit this button, which means you're going to apply it to the link. And then you should see it. It's as easy as that. So now we're going to go back. Let's hit save. I'm going to do the other one so you can watch it again. Go ahead and exit out to the front or the back. It doesn't matter. Dashboard, media, library, add media file. Now we're going to do the second one. Select the file from your desktop wherever you loaded it to. This is an assistant supervisor too. What's the difference between these two? Circuit criminal and district criminal, second shift. We can put in their second shift to differentiate it. Hit open. Copy the URL. Go back to pages. Find the page. Careers. Let's do the live builder so it's easier for you to see. Scroll down. Open up the text block. We're going to do assistant supervisor second shift. And then we're just going to highlight it all. Remember, you've got the link on your clipboard, so hit link button, paste the URL, apply it, and you'll see it turns blue. And then go over here and hit save. Now, when you're done and the position's filled or you don't want to list anymore, all you have to do is go in here and delete whatever it is. I'm not going to do it, but all you have to do is highlight it and delete it and then resave it, and it's done. I'm probably going to go ahead and make this part of the page look a little better. Let's go to the front end so we can see it better. I might shade it or something so you can differentiate the different areas. But when you click on these, they should link to that file. Hit back. Back. Let's make sure the deputy job's still in there. It should be, yeah. And that's it. So those are ready to go. I will clean this up a little so it looks better, but that should give you a general idea of how to keep this updated. That's it. Thanks. Bye.